I'm standing here at the spot of the BJ Medical College's hostel that is completely empty right now. The front portion of the hostel there, if you can see, is completely charred. There is a tail of the plane that is stuck between the backyard of the hostel and somewhere in the residential quarters, residential area of Meghani Nagar, which was the NDRF was able to break down and cut open the debris of the tail. It is, the bits and pieces of bodies are being taken out from under the debris of the tail. The rescue operation is on right now, but they have cordoned off the whole area here and not letting anybody go inside. Right now, they have been able to put together only 2 bodies since morning. Rest, the pieces of the bodies have been sent to civil hospital, the morgue in civil hospital. Behind me is the area where families are still pouring in, especially families who are not from the state and from other districts are pouring in to provide their DNA samples. Meanwhile, more bodies have been retrieved from the crash site, from behind the building of the BJ Medical Boys Hostel. But sadly, these bodies are not in one part. They have been retrieved in pieces, and it's going to be extremely difficult moving on to match the bodies together, to put the bodies together in fact, and then do a DNA testing on them. Meanwhile, since yesterday, 11 junior doctors who were injured in the dining hall of the BJ Medical College hostel have been shifted to 2 private hospitals in Ahmedabad. One is Zydus Hospital and one is KD Memorial Hospitals, both in Ahmedabad city. They are not allowing anybody except the families who are, who have come here to provide their DNA inside the premises of the Kasauti Hall in the BJ Medical College behind that door. Right now, we don't have the exact body count, although since morning one of the authorities from here have told us that the count has gone up to 271 with the fresh the new dead bodies that have been retrieved since morning today. We will be waiting here for more updates. This is Damayanti from BJ Medical College for the Federal.